Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Noor Diary Frames. Have you ever wondered why Allah revealed the Quran in Arabic? Could Allah have chosen any language? Why Arabic? Allah says in the Quran, "Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you might understand." When Allah sent the final revelation, He sent it in the language of the people who would first hear it. This allowed them to understand the message clearly and share it with the world. Arabic is one of the richest languages in the world. Every letter, every sound, and every word of the Quran has been preserved for over 1,400 years. This preservation is one of the miracles of the Quran. For example, when we read a translation, we understand the meaning, but when we read the Arabic Quran, we connect with the exact words revealed by Allah. Learning Arabic helps us understand the Quran better. It improves our salah. It strengthens our connection with Allah. You don't need to become an Arabic scholar overnight. Even learning one letter a day brings you closer to understanding the words of Allah. The Arabic letters you are learning today are the same letters used in every verse of the Quran. Arabic is not important because millions of people speak it. Arabic is important because Allah chose it for His final revelation. Every letter you learn is a step closer to understanding the Quran. So, let's begin this beautiful journey together. If you're learning Arabic with us, subscribe and join the journey from Alif to understanding the Quran, one letter at a time. We'll meet in next episode. Bye bye!